1-minute revision of the topic Petty Cash Book. The meaning of petty is something that is small and has very little importance. What is Petty Cash Book? It is a book of accounts that records expenses which are small and of very little value. They are insignificant in nature. Examples of petty cash book are stationery, postage, stamps, and more. Some of the benefits of a petty cash book are: petty cash book helps business save time. Petty cash book helps a business manage small payments. It reduces the amount of work and effort required. Petty cash book helps with swift preparation of ledger accounts. It also helps reduce the administrative burden and paperwork. Petty cash book helps with enhanced accountability and transparency in the business. Petty cash book helps with efficient auditing and reporting. There are two types of petty cash books. A simple petty cash book uses a simple way of maintaining petty expenses. Just record the receipts on the left side and payments on the right side. A more detailed version of petty cash book is called analytical petty cash book, which uses multiple columns for commonly occurring petty expenses paid in cash.